I'm Christina from The Turned Leg. I love to salvage, repurpose, and create, and teach others to do the same. I'm also a junker, and I love to find those curbside treasures. So many times I see people pass up something that is perfectly good just because the dresser drawers won't really slide in well, or they slide in way too far. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 very simple drawer repairs to help you fix that furniture. I want to show you this wardrobe and this bottom drawer. This is a common problem. It happens a ton. Watch what happens when I push it in. I don't know if you can tell, but it's going in way too deep. And that's because if you look up here, see in the back right there, there is a little board of wood, a stop. If we pull out this drawer, there is no stop, but there is a spot where it used to be. So now I need to make a stop for the drawer. For the drawer stop, I used a piece of scrap wood. I also measured the existing stops to figure out what size I needed. I'm going to be using Titebond 2 wood glue to put it in place. Added a little glue there. I got to clean up the glue leakage all around, but I'm going to give it a second or two and then I'll clean it up with a wet wipe. Now I just got to wait for the glue to dry, which will normally take a couple hours. Glue is dry. Let's see if it works. Success. This desk drawer is having a similar problem. When you push it in, it closes way too far. I'm going to show you why in just a second. Okay, when you take the drawer out, if you notice, we're going to go zooming in. See right here and right here, you used to have a metal drawer stop and it's missing, and on this side too. So let me show you what those look like. I was able to get a package of these drawer stops on Amazon. They were called 2-point drawer stops, and I got them in a pack of 12. I will put the link to order in the descriptions below. Okay, so this is what those are, and they literally just stick in there. Now I'm going to hammer it down because that's totally not even yet, and I'll put it in this side. But they fit, and so then all we got to do is tap them in with a hammer. And it stops. Perfect. So now I just got to do the rest of the drawers. I just wanted to show you another type of drawer stop that you'll sometimes see in the old dressers. I have not been able to find these online, but I bet the other ones I showed you would work in their place. If you like good junk, check out the video here, and I will show you how I find all of my good junk and treasures. Another problem you can have are those drawers that don't open easily, and there is a secret trick. I know some people use the wax from a candle on drawers that stick, but I've found that that doesn't really hold up long term. What I love is all temperature ski board or surfboard wax. You apply it to the runners on the bottom and the bottom of the drawer, and it holds up long term. No reapplication needed. Such an easy fix. Do you have a suggestion for how you fix old drawers? If so, leave them in the comments below. Do you have a project you need to finish? If you are local, you can shop my project shop booth for all of your project needs at Plaza Antiques and Collectibles Mall in Lincoln Park, Michigan. Or you can shop online on my website. I will link both in the description below. Did you enjoy this video? If so, please give it a thumbs up below. I hope that with the information from this video, you'll be able to salvage some of those dresser drawers that you find. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I can continue to make more videos to help you salvage, repurpose, and create.